Let's open the last Black Friday package. Let's see what we got. I know what it is, but I want to know how it's wrapped and stuff. So I'm cutting it open with scissors and cut the wrong place. No. Oh, it's here. And bubble wrap with scotch tape. Okay. Open it up. Some more scotch tape on the two ends. Come on. And oh boy. So this is supposed to be 50 LEDs or 60. No, 5 times 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's interesting. Really, really small LEDs. I don't know if they are appropriate for keyboards. Yes, they are. They have that little top. Awesome. So I can repair mechanical keyboards with these. When the LEDs burn out, I have such a keyboard that I already replaced. Like 10 LEDs. I'll have to try it out. They seem a bit too small, but yeah, we'll see. So 20 of each color. That's nice.